Hey, Broke Builds, thanks for joining me today, and we're going to be going over my milestone thanks to you all of you guys and gals and broke dads and moms and dudes and dudettes. 1,000 subscriber milestone. I couldn't do it without you all. I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't even think I was going to be hitting 1,000 subscribers yet. I'm just some dude doing stuff on YouTube with my hands and working on stuff. From, you know, videos on the truck and all the little shorts that I've been doing, I thank you all so much for watching and for taking the time to comment. And for those that haven't subscribed that are watching, which is like 90% of you that are out there that watch the videos, I really appreciate it if you subscribe. Just hit the little button, because at least you'd subscribe and be notified whenever I do release any new content, since you're watching it anyway. And for my family, myself, to you all, it means a lot. Again, just for you to take the time to subscribe. I really appreciate it. There's a lot more things that I plan on doing this year, time permitting, and money too, because you all know, it's not just a name, Broke Dad Builds. Like I'm there in the bottom of the barrel. So I don't have any sponsors. I don't have any like big partnerships or anything like that. And I recently did get, you know, a collaboration with Soundskins, which I'm thankful for. That's the first type of brand that has actually reached out to me, other than, you know, small ones here and there. But I don't really do anything with those. And in all transparency, I'm being honest with you guys. Like I didn't really do this. I didn't do this for like making money or being famous or anything like that. I did this just to kind of dip my toes in the water and kind of share the progress and the work I'm doing on this square body, because I thought it was interesting and I wanted to, you know, bring people along the way, along the ride. And now I got other things I'm working on. I got the the American Society for the Preservation of C10s, ASPC10. If you haven't heard about it yet, or if you've known about it, a nonprofit organization that I started to be able to get classic trucks, GM trucks, C10s, and all the other types of GM trucks, to find them, restore them, and then give them away to veterans, first responders, teachers, local heroes that do stuff for people in the community, that sacrifice all their time and effort and energy and even money to help other people. Because if we didn't have people like that, we wouldn't really be, you know, a strong community in this world anyway. So yeah, I'm kind of, this isn't scripted at all. This is just me talking to you. If you're watching, hopefully you're watching. Are you watching? Are you here longer than 3 seconds? You know, kind of like what my wife says sometimes. More content to come. I'm going to be doing a lot, trying to do more events, get more coverage of like the truck shows and things, as well as working on my buddy's 63 C10 with that turbo LS that's in it. Hopefully trying to get that done, and maybe even a Corvette. I think we got an old Corvette that I might work on. You'll see. I'm not sure yet. So just stay tuned and see you next time. Oh yeah, and remember, you can be broke, but that's not going to stop you from getting your project done.